Okay guys, I'm back with another same old school strategy, but a working strategy that's working for me and for my subscribers who are exactly using this strategy. So watch this video very carefully to understand this strategy and learn and implement it in your trading journey and see how fruitful it can be for you. And don't forget to like this video after watching this video. And by the way, if you want to copy my trades automatically in your account, then don't forget to join my Telegram channel. Just pause this video, go to the Telegram channel and just read the instructions there and follow the instructions and join my VIP copy trading channel and start to copy my trades. And by the way, these are the results we have achieved with this strategy. So watch this video very carefully. Now, without doing any delay, let's get started. So first thing what you need to do is we are going to trade on OTC pairs. So those OTC pair which have 90% payout, just make all of those favorite in this way. It is as simple as this to make this stars yellow, and all of these OTC pair will appear at above, as you can see at here. Once you do this much, then just click on this OTC pair and then select this S5. So this is a strategy which I I use it regularly but rarely, and if I need to make some quick bucks, then I use this strategy. Of course there is going to be risk while trading in this strategy, but it is worth watching. And by the way, if this kind of timer is not showing in your chart, then make sure to click on here and click on this enable timer. Okay, turn it on and this kind of timer you will see at your chart. So these are all of these are 5-second candles, and once you see this much, once you make this much, then if it is flag, make it clock and select here and select the trading time frame as 5. So your candlestick time frame is 5 seconds, your trading time frame is also going to be 5 seconds. Now I'll suggest you to not risk too much in this kind of trading. Just invest the amount that you can afford to lose. So like for me, in one trade $50 is okay. And once you do this much, then just click on here and then see here parabolic SAR. So you don't need to you need to do nothing at here, just watch these dots. Okay, these dots are a symbol of trend, and like if it is above these candles, then this is a downtrend, and if it is below the candles, then it is an uptrend. So now whenever you see this kind of second dot, at that exact time you make trade by clicking on higher. This strategy is as simple as this. Now what you need to do is, here you can see it is third dot has started to form. So I'll not make trade at here, I'll just see in another currency pair. So here is also no any signal like that. So here we can get possibility to get signal, so we'll wait here, but I don't think I'm going to get signal at here. So I'll move to another currency pair. So let's move to another currency pair. Here you can see one dot, so there is second dot, and I made a trade by clicking on higher, in which I'm going to make profit. It was profitable, but it was a little bit risky. Okay, there is always going to be risk while trading, so trade wisely. So let's go to another. Here was a second dot, so I could have made a trade by clicking on a higher at here and made a profit, but we missed this chance. So let's see in another currency pair. So here is also no any signal, such signal. So let's see in another currency pair. So let's keep on flipping the currency pair, so we have a chance to get, but no. So let's see in another currency pair. So here was second dot, I could have made trade by clicking on lower at this candle, and so this may have gone in loss, but it's good. Sometimes we don't catch this kind of signal, and that is good thing. So let's go to another currency pair and see if we can get some signal. No. So let's again begin from the start. So here also we could have gone in loss. It's good that we avoided it. So let's go to another currency pair. Let's go to another. Okay, so I think you'll get few amount of signal, but signals are going to be good. Okay, so here also you could have made loss. Okay, so let's see, but we haven't still found any signals, so let's keep on searching. So again, I think we are not going to get any signal right now at here, but also will not lose the hope. Let's see. So here you could have made profit. Here also you could have made profit. So here also you could most probably have made profit because it is the second, and you could have made any trade anywhere at here. So let's see. So here we could have made trade and we could have made profit. Yeah, we can make trade by clicking on higher at here. You can see second dot was at here. So anytime you see this kind of second dot, you make trade. Okay, don't think too much. So let's see if we can find another. So here we could have made trade, but it could have been loss. That's another thing. So here is one. So whenever second dot we see, we make trade by clicking on higher in this way. Okay, yeah, we made a loss in this trade, but again it was profitable. Okay, so let's see. So I mistakenly clicked on the top up. So let's go here. So as you can see here, I made 3 trades today, and all of these were profitable.